Good afternoon, everyone. Well, since everyone is here, we should get started. I am Miss Irish Juliana Reyes. I think we'll begin now. First, I'd like to welcome you all. We have a lot to cover today, so really should begin. So for today, the topic of this meeting is COVID-19. The location of this meeting or the topic is Pampanga. Then, the participants of this meeting is John Kirby Lorenzo, Saski Castro, and Daniel Lopez. So, Mr. John Kirby Lorenzo, what is your age and gender? Mr. Lorenzo?
20 years old, male.
How about you, Mr. Daniel Lopez?
20 years old, male.
And how about you, Miss Saski Castro?
20 years old, female.
First, I will discuss the point of views of this meeting or the description of discussion. The COVID-19 pandemic has resulted in a both public health crisis and humanitarian crisis, affecting the lives, health, and livelihoods of people around the world. With the impact of socioeconomic conditions, vulnerable people already affected by displacement and conflict are at greater risk in the face of COVID-19 outbreak. Given the disruptions of daily routines and social isolation, the outbreak affects mental health and psychosocial well-being, causing fear and anxiety among people about their own health and the health of their loved ones. Social mobilizers, community workers, and volunteers have an important role in providing timely and actionable health information so that people know how to protect themselves and reduce the risk associated with the coronavirus disease 2019. So, Mrs. Esel Jayan, would you ask some questions for the participants?
So, Mr. John Jerry, what are the protocols in your province?
In our protocol in our country, in our community, social distancing, wear face mask and face shield.
And you, Daniel?
Curfew 18 below and avoid receiving guests.
Next is, how can I protect myself and others from getting COVID-19? Mr. John Jerry.
Avoid touching your eyes, nose, and mouth with unwashed hands. Because if you pick up the virus, you could infect yourself by allowing the virus to enter your body.
And you, Mr. Daniel?
Wear a mask that cover your mouth and nose when around others.
Next is, what are the symptoms of COVID-19? Ms. Saski. The symptoms of COVID-19 are fever, cough, shortness of breath, chills, muscle aches and pains, sore throat, new loss of smell or taste, feeling very tired, headache, diarrhea, vomiting, and runny nose. Next is, what is your suggestion and solution for the future, Ms. Saski? Unite as one. Kasi unity ang pinakamahalaga para mas maging maayos ang ating bansa. Dahil kapag may unity, may good communication ng bawat individual. So kapag may pagkakaintindihan, mas mapapadali ang pagpaplano at pagsunod sa patakaran ng bawat isa.
And you, Mr. Dinyet.
Always follow the rules and regulation and be responsible for everything.
Okay, thank you for the participants for answering the questions. So, that will be end of our meeting. Hopefully, may natutunan kayo and have a good day and stay safe.